We'll guide you through how to embed Dropbox into Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by turning on your computer and allowing the operating system to load completely so the desktop is ready to use. Next, connect the computer to the internet using your preferred network, such as Wi-Fi or a wired connection, and confirm that the connection is stable before continuing. Once you are online, open your web browser from the desktop taskbar or Applications menu. In the browser's address bar, go to the Dropbox website and wait for the page to finish loading. When the homepage appears, click the Login option to access your account. Enter your Dropbox email address in the email field, then type your account password carefully in the password field. After confirming that both fields are correct, click Login and wait while the Dropbox dashboard loads completely on the screen. When the dashboard is visible, open the Files section so you can view the items stored in your account. Locate the specific file that you want to embed in another service. Move your cursor over the file to reveal additional options, then click the Share button beside the file name. A sharing window will appear displaying options for generating a shareable link. After the link is generated, click Copy Link to place it on your clipboard. Once the link has been copied, open a new browser tab and go to Notion. After the Notion interface loads, open the page where you want to embed the Dropbox file. Click on an empty block within the page to create a place for the embedded content. Paste the Dropbox link you copied earlier directly into the block. Notion will display several link options for how the content should appear. Select the Embed option if it is available, so the file can display directly inside the page. Wait while the Dropbox content loads within the Notion page. The page saves automatically as you work, so no manual save is required. Finally, test the embedded file preview to confirm that it loads and displays correctly. The Dropbox file is now successfully embedded in your Notion page and ready for viewing and interaction whenever the page is opened again later by you anytime.